The Bitcoin revolution starts now.
We're big Bitcoin bulls. Our thesis is that Bitcoin is digital property, but without the risks and liabilities of commercial real estate. And so we're bullish.
Bitcoin is better than gold. Bitcoin is like digital gold. Let's hear from Kathy Wood.
Bitcoin, hands down. Hands down. Bitcoin is a hedge against both inflation and deflation. Yes, so is gold, but Bitcoin is digital. And if you look at the incremental demand, we're going to see gold already has its demand, it's happened, right? Bitcoin is new, and institutions are barely involved.
Institutions are chomping at the bit to get involved with this. We have numerous companies applying for a Bitcoin spot ETF, trillions of dollars on the line. If even a fraction of that goes into Bitcoin, wow. Bitcoin has risen like 100% over the past year, from like 15,000 to over 30,000.
And young people would much prefer to hold Bitcoin than to hold gold.
Good Appreciation Day, you like Hershey bars? Out here giving away some free Hershey bars or a free shiny silver bar, 10-ounce bar of silver.
Take a chocolate bar?
Whatever you want. You take that over the silver?
Absolutely.
Oh, I got the chocolate. Well, if you want, go ahead, take it. Thank you. It's a 10-ounce bar of silver. I'll take a Hershey's. Okay, it's yours. Yeah, thank you. Sweet. You'll take the Hershey bar. Who needs the 10-ounce bar of silver, right? It's not so funny. Yeah. Free chocolate bar or a free 10-ounce bar of silver? Bam! Whoa! We got ourselves a winner.
It's interesting that both gold and Bitcoin are hedges against deflation, but Bitcoin's been doing better recently.
There's going to be a shockwave when people realize there's only 21 million Bitcoin and about 4 million, 5 million, who knows, have been lost forever. There's going to be a supply shock. Not everybody's going to be able to buy a Bitcoin. SBF. Let's talk a little bit about this guy here. Wow. What do you call someone like this, right? I just have no idea. Bankman-Fried looked sunken as the verdict was read out. After the jury was released, he stood, head bowed and shaking as his lawyer spoke in his ear. A few feet behind him, his parents stood watching as Bankman-Fried was escorted out of the room. He turned back and smiled at his parents. His father, Joe Bankman, put his arm around his wife's shoulders. As their son left the room, Barbara Fried broke down in tears. Wow, they raised somebody there, boy. Oh, well, I shouldn't be laughing, but this guy destroyed a lot of people's lives for sure. And he deserves whatever he gets. So he was found guilty on like 7 charges, and he faces up to like 110 years in prison. Whew. I wonder how long he's going to go away for. So, in remarks outside the Manhattan courthouse on Thursday, U.S. Attorney Damian Williams lauded the jury's verdict, saying the government has no patience for fraud and corruption. These players like Sam Bankman-Fried might be new, but this kind of fraud, this kind of corruption, is as old as time, he said. But Bankman-Fried's attorney said they were disappointed. Yeah, no shit, right? We respect the jury's decision, but we are very disappointed with the result, said lead defense attorney Mark Cohen in a statement. Mr. Bankman-Fried maintains his innocence and will continue to vigorously fight the charges against him. Bullshit, man. They locked this guy up. The sentencing hearing date will be March 28th, 2024. He faces up to 110 years in prison. Wow. So what do you guys think? How old is this guy anyway? What do you think? He's going to get like 5 years, 10 years? You think he'll get like 50 years? Let's hope so. He destroyed a lot of people's lives. All right. Leave some comments, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is the Crypto Realm. Play hard, trade smart.